Are you collecting subscribers on your website but never actually emailing them? You are leaving money on the table, plain and simple. I will show you exactly how to connect your subscriber list inside Hostinger so you can start sending emails that keep your audience coming back. Here is the plan. First, we will access your customer list. Then we will activate Hostinger Reach. And finally, we will set up your first automated email campaign. So let us jump in. Start by opening up your Hostinger website builder. Look for that shopping cart icon in the sidebar menu on the left. Go ahead and click on it. Now from the drop-down that appears, select Customers. This is where everyone who has signed up or purchased from you is stored. And here is the really important part. Instead of trying to export these emails and mess around with a third-party tool, click on the option that says Email Marketing with Hostinger Reach. This is the built-in tool I have been walking people through, and it saves you a ton of hassle. Go ahead and hit the Get Started button. Hostinger will now walk you through setting up your first few campaigns. The first one you will see is called Welcome New Subscribers. Click on that. This is your chance to make a great first impression. You can edit the message later, but for now, just select it to move forward. Next, choose the option Stay Top of Mind, always. This is for your regular newsletter. The goal here is to send helpful content so people do not forget about you. Then, select Never Miss a Sale. This one is for your promotional offers and discounts. After that, click on Know What's Working Best. This will set up some basic analytics so you can see which emails people are actually opening. Now you will be asked to try Hostinger Reach. Click on Try Hostinger Reach to proceed. A new screen might pop up asking you to confirm. Click Try Hostinger Reach again. If a pop-up appears with a price or a plan, just click Cancel. You do not need to commit to anything yet. Finally, click on the card that says Simple and Effective AI-Powered Email Marketing. This will take you into the main dashboard. And that is it. You have now connected your subscriber list and set up your core automated campaigns. From here, you can customize each email, add your own photos, and start building real relationships with the people who care about what you do. Thanks for following along.